gonna follow one Jamaican girl who married to a French man. She live in France. Long time me a follow her.
Okay, look, right?
And she come from right out here. Me a show her say a year she a do this. Yeah, baby them yeah.
Hi, Phillips. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day. You want green juice?
Yes.
Mama is not making any green juice.
It's egg.
Yeah, Mama is making egg. Mama is about to make breakfast. You want eggs?
No.
No? Okay, you just had porridge.
No.
You eat your porridge? Porridge finish? Yeah. Porridge. Yesterday she told me at lunch, Mama, porridge. Sarah is a girl like this. Whenever she can't formulate her sentence, she said gibberish until she reached the last word of the sentence, then she say the word. She's too funny. So as a mom, you know how the demeanor of your kids are and what they say even when they don't have the words. So I understood that's what she wanted, so I made her porridge yesterday. And this morning as I dropped Tyler and got back, she said, Mama, porridge please. So she loved her porridge like her brother. And Tyler was happy yesterday when he came home and heard that Sarah had porridge, because he know that there will be leftovers for him this morning for breakfast. He's too cute. Yes, Mama is doing eggs, but there's egg trash in my egg. There is egg trash in my egg. The worst thing you can do is when you're eating egg and cracker egg trash. Oh, I hate it. But me and it gonna fight this morning. How are you guys doing? Hopefully you guys are having a good and blessed and safe day, whatever time of the day that you guys are watching this. Make every hour in your day count. Use time management to knock out every single thing that you have on your agenda to do, because if you don't use time management, the time is going to fly by so fast and you don't even realize that your time is flying by. Anyway, you guys, I'm here about to make some breakfast. I dropped Tyler to school this morning. Baby's off to work. Sarah and I will be home for the latter part of the day until in the afternoon we're gonna head out on the road to get some stuff done. So hey girl, hey, if you're new to the Fam Bam, welcome to the Fam Bam. And the reason why I'm asking if you're new, though I always ask, but I'm definitely asking if you're new, comment down below and let me know if you joined the channel recently in the past few days, because I have gotten a few new subscribers from the Planka boss herself, Aunty Donna. If you guys wondering who Aunty Donna is, if you're not a Jamaican, or even if you're a Jamaican and not familiar with who Aunty Donna is one of the sweetest person you could ever talk to. I mean, she's so giving, hence why she is known as the popular Aunty Donna, because she's this humanitarian in Jamaica where she gives back wholeheartedly, and she gives back to the point where there's numbers of people all over the world that donates to her to help others. So people will like send in donation and the donation goes to her. But what makes Aunty Donna stands out, apart from a lot of the people who does charity work and a lot of the people who give back, she films every single detail of her giving back. And she's outspoken, she tell you like it is, she always says what's on her mind. And she's not just known for her charity, but she's also known for her Christmas season baking in Jamaica. I've heard so many good things and I've seen so many good things about Aunty Donna with her baking. When it comes on to Christmas time, she bakes, she sells Christmas cake, and she ships them overseas also. She also does juice, and she's just amazing. So I have been following Aunty Donna since 2018, before all her charity was in the public light, before all the Aunty Donna as the businesswoman that we're seeing in the social media right now. I've been following her since she's been working out and filming her working out and cooking. And I remember a year back then, she told me that she always watches my vlogs with Tyler at the time because there was no Sarah. And you know, she always like my stories whenever I post them on Instagram. And it so happened that I saw her on live last week, and she was talking to person who calling, and I was just randomly sitting at the dinner table, and I said, let me press the button and see if she will answer. And I pressed the button to call in, and she answered. I got to talk to her, and I was so excited after following her since 2018 until now. It was a joy speaking to her, and she said that she would encourage people on her Facebook page and on her Instagram and on her YouTube to come over to my channel and show us some love, and so a few of them did, and I'm so grateful. So Aunty Donna, if you're watching this, thank you again, and I've thanked you a million times since then. And everybody who have come over from Aunty Donna, welcome to the fam bam. Catch up and keep up, stick and stay. If you want to see what's happening on this side of the world, I am in France, as you guys may or may not know, with this little one here. My son is at school and my husband is at work at the moment. So welcome to the family. And listen, you just see just about everything over here. I post my daily life with the family, so that's what you'll be seeing. We travel a lot, so you'll see a lot of that, and I'll show you throughout France and all the travels that we do as time goes by. So get comfortable and make sure you guys catch the vlogs Mondays to Fridays without failing. A vlog is here every day, and if you don't get a notification, just go to the channel. A vlog is there every day. So welcome to the newbies and all these. You know, you guys got us and you're always here, so I appreciate you same way. Anyway, enough of the rambling, and I'm gonna make some breakfast. I'm going to make eggs that Sarah just happily mixed for me, and then I have a bunch of stuff to get done today, so I'm gonna do that. And yeah, so I'll catch you guys throughout the rest of today. See you guys later. Oh, I got my workout done this morning. Workout was...
Bye, Papa.
Papa is at work. Did you say hello to Faves already?
Bye, bye, Papa.
Yes, Papa is at work. Say good morning, Faves.
Mommy, babe.
How are you guys?
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Eat the egg.
She's repeating to you guys what I said.
The egg.
You're telling Faves you're eating egg. You're too cute.
Mama, egg.
Yes, Mama is making egg. You want some?
No.
Okay. Say no thank you.
No, thank you.
Very good.
Cheese.
You want cheese? You want cheese?
No.
No thank you.
No, thank you.
Very good. Also, if you guys don't know who Aunty Donna is, I'll leave Aunty Donna channel link down below so you guys can go be familiar with her if you are non-Jamaican, and if you are Jamaican and don't know who Aunty Donna is, I'll leave her link down below so you guys can go over there and show her some love also. And I'll see if I can post the clip that she was talking about us on her YouTube, on her Facebook and on our Instagram, so you guys can see the clip.
I'm gonna make you follow one Jamaican girl who married to a Frenchman. She live in France. Anna. She do her stream them and her live them. And she have 2 children. I follow her from the little boy have baby. I soon find her phone because I follow her today. I have her on the show. You know, I'm not telling you no foolishness she follow. See her Planka people, she's Jamaican. She and her husband and she have 2 children and she live in France. I follow her from over IG. She there over YouTube too. She do me show her and her family. I want one little video for you to go watch. Everything she put up. I tell you how long she there on YouTube. She and her children them here at school and there. We Jamaican, yeah. We Jamaican. She show you when she pregnant, when she have baby. See her there? Out here she come from. See her there? And she exercise. Years this, you know, this is from 2019. So nobody see her dance and think I know she a do it. Long time me a follow her.
Okay, look. Right?
And she come from right out here. Me a show you say a year she a do this. See her baby them here? And me a follow her from little baby, a little baby. She exercise, she talk. See her husband there. You know see it? So I don't want nobody come from her come talk about she a follow nobody. She a wear naked belly long time in her phone. See she and her husband. The whole of them go over there go flood it out. She a Jamaican like the whole away.
Look. 12 days later. After all that rain, it rained so much today. I finally made my way to the supermarket with my kids. Look at them. Tell us hello to the fans.
Hello, face. Wagwan.
From what? So I'm at the fruit section right now, trying to find some fruity fruits. These strawberries spoil so easily, oh my gosh. And I need melon, but I'm just gonna take one piece. This one. Wonder if I'm the chance these mangoes. Geez, look at the little bit of mango in this for €5. Almost €5. Might as well say €5. I ain't buying that. You crazy? No, girl. No. Alright, gilly. Let's go to the meat section. Where are we? We're at the supermarket, yeah. Come, it's time for the
Supermarket.
yes.
Sis, today I did a match of football and I win a medal. I win a medal.
Tell them what a medal today at school. What you want a medal? Tell them what you want it for. You show them after the hall.
For football.
Haha.
Football.
Sure.
It's cake.
Yes, we're gonna eat cake.
Sarah, c'est qui ça?
Alright, let's go. You guys, we just got back from the supermarket haul, so we're gonna knock this out real quick. Let them discover what I bought because you have no idea what. Oh, you didn't ask me what's my total today. That's a first.
That's
I
not the
don't
total,
know.
I think. I think you're under the budget.
I don't know.
So because you think I'm under the budget, why you didn't ask me?
No.
Look how many other days that I'm under the budget and they still ask me.
How much you want? 160?
Alex.
Come on.
Alex.
Yes, you put on lips.
Alright, let's see
Yes,
what
let's
we
go.
have here to discover.
Okay.
Me too, I need
Oh,
to
just
discover.
on camera. That's a good choice. That's a very good choice.
And Papa, me, I said, wait, Mama, and I look like, I look at the expired to make sure she takes the good one because sometimes it's tomorrow they expire.
They're like noisettes.
Yeah, they didn't have the original chocolate one. That's why.
Careful, there is
This
one
was
side.
tight.
You can put it.
No.
Look.
Oh, what's going on today with you?
Je te dis attention.
What's wrong?
Mais c'est
Because
des
you
gâteaux,
put
ils
it
ont
on the
essence.
side.
Ils ont pas d'essence.
Cheesecake is my weekend treat. Your souket cake. You
Ça
want
va,
to
c'est
say
quoi ça? Melon.
this one?
Pastèque, melon. Good job. We have samosa and them. I don't know if it's dinner.
Yes,
Rubber.
it's dinner.
I'm gonna put them on the side.
No, put them on the pan right away. Put those before you put the pizza. Yes, Papa preparing dinner so you can have.
Is it expired?
No, Ty.
Papa,
Let's see by your peas.
Ça c'est presque.
I have to hide this from Tyler before.
Yeah, that's normal. Look. What? Tyler.
No.
Day 3.
Tyler, what you have to look is the
Crepe.
Umbali. Mean the people, the 3 of June.
Tomato.
Today. So it's
Tomato.
also 26. You just need to
Tomato.
be fast, but you won't be
Good
able to
job.
find. For some stuff like this,
Good job.
won't be
You
able
want
to
more?
find long time.
Coconut water. I love this coconut water. I discovered last week, so this week I get 4.
Today.
Coconut
One
milk,
time, like, for example, 18.
juice,
I'm looking by the left eye what you have there.
mayonnaise,
Mama, you need to
cheese
hide
for
this from
sandwich.
Sana.
No, you don't have to hide it anymore.
Strawberry. Mama,
Sausage.
when I finish
She
this.
turn around.
Yes.
Tyler been asking for these pens for school. It's pen that use rubber, so when he make mistake, he can rub it out instead of crossing it to make it look messy. So I bought him too.
Depends on my left.
Really?
Maybe. I don't have my glasses, so I can't see properly.
Alright, continue time with a snack bag. Quinoa. You guys don't have to buy quinoa. Look when babe see this. Babe.
I saw it. Coconut water.
4. And guess what? When he tastes it, he said, blah. It don't taste like the original coconut water, but it's close
And then the
enough.
coconut water, I'm not a fan.
He's really not a fan of the coconut water, nor the meat inside of the coconut. It's coconut milk.
Coconut milk.
Very good. No, not juice.
What we do with this?
Huh?
You're gonna put what with this? The big, the big pizza?
What do you want?
Oh, I knew bio biscuit.
Water.
Water.
Don't shout.
Oh,
I knew bio biscuit.
What is it?
They wasn't the usual.
Yes.
What is it?
Just was it,
Oh, noisette? No, that's fine. It's not that I wanted to know.
minced beef. What's this, Sarah?
Broccoli.
Very good.
Lettuce. That's new. I never saw it.
Oh, Sarah, choose it. Give it to Sarah. It's Sarah own.
Attention, Tyler!
oasis.
Attention, Tyler!
Mama.
Yes. Schweppes. What do you want? Biscuit.
Poulet.
Different.
Je veux dire
Higher.
porc.
It's okay?
Porc.
Good job, Ty. And the pizza for dinner.
Pizza.
20 minutes.
What's this?
Butter.
Very good. Butter. Non-alcoholic beverage. Listen, your girl just trying new things and trying new things.
Can I drink some?
You know why I
No.
choose, why I pick this? Yes, you can.
Forbidden for kids.
It's not true. You can because it doesn't have any alcohol. You know why I choose this? Because I choose something for babe and he probably will have one later. So I said, okay, I'm gonna choose something similar to have with him.
She took some things from me that I will have later. Oh, she planned to give me something later. Oh,
Beer for the beer.
maybe for...
I haven't bought him I haven't bought him. He haven't bought this in a long while.
Sometimes I feel for that this is
That's why I buy it.
girly.
But whenever we go somewhere, like if somebody invites us anywhere, he always drink beer.
Yeah, I'm not a drinker at home. I don't rarely I don't drink at home.
If babe French friends, his real friends here, that babe don't drink at home, they'll say, huh? Ludo, don't drink at home? because baby's a real French. When I say real French, meaning he eat all the stinky cheese, he eat the bread, he drink like the French. But at home, he's a French Jamaican. He's a what you call somebody who's a French Jamaican? From Jam Fed.
Yes. Jam for Jamaica. Fed for
Let's see what we
You
have
want to
here.
taste this?
We have right. Oh, this is very good. I like
I
it.
know you would say that.
Now we have one that is empty.
When I saw, because I junked it in the supermarket. That's why she asked her juice just don't tell her no, because she just drink one a while ago. Let she drink water now. When I saw Sarah show me this biscuit that she wanted, I said, baby, it's gonna be happy when you see this, but I'm gonna have to hide it because they love it. Time for no, we finished supermarket time for
rock, paper, scissors.
ready for rock paper scissors?
Yes.
Okay.
Alright, what we playing for? Come on, Ty. Ty, stay on the winning streak.
For if I win, I drink this.
Haha, and if you lose, you don't get none.
Yes.
Alright, I like that. You guys hear it first.
I'm motivated.
Come time, win time.
Very motivated.
Let's go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One papa, oh la la. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One Tyler. Come on, Tyler. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Two Tyler. Come on, Tyler. Wait, Tyler, wait. You not finish. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Two Papa. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I get him this time.
But it's not rock, paper, scissors. I wanted to place another game.
I get him this time.
Guess what? Papa get you one time, but you get him how many times before that?
I don't want you to do rock, paper, scissors. I want
That's
to do another
okay.
game.
No.
Champions.
Okay?
Call me champions.
Champion. You did it today. You have to give it to him. You did it.
No.